लॉम्परे आ गए हैं, वापसी जाने की तैयारी हो गई है।
We're getting the VIP.
We paid 200 baht per person extra। और लाइन चेक करो जरा, लाइन लगी हुई है पूरी की पूरी। I love this place। We got this cup noodles। वो थी फेरी जहाँ से हम आए लॉम्परिया बस है, बाकी ये दोनों VIP बसेस हैं। ब्राउनी खा रही है आशली जी बैठ के, एग फ्राइड राइस विद एग ऑन द टॉप। हाउसन रोड पहुँच गए हैं, तेरा अपना सामान। हेलो भाइयों, लॉम्परे आ गए हैं, वापसी जाने की तैयारी हो गई है। टिकट हम कल ले चुके थे, चेक इन कराने आए हैं। बाकी मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ थोड़ी देर में।
We're getting the VIP.
भाइयों VIP। Now this time they gave us this, we paid 200 baht per person extra. So guys, we got the tickets here. Got the VIP again, 1650 baht for VIP, but this time we paid 200 baht for VIP. We wanted the VIP exclusive, but was already full or something happening. I didn't understand. And can you show? This is the these are the tickets. All these
Normally,
things.
you would just get this
Yeah,
and these. This is a luggage tag.
this is for luggage,
Ticket.
for your T-shirt.
If you're not doing VIP, then you want
This is, yeah, that is VIP, guys. I'll see you soon. I'm just going to get something to eat and then I'll see you super soon. The plan is to go to Koh Phangan till Bangkok, but I'm gonna show you the whole journey because it's a day journey today. So most probably I'll try my best to show you most of the parts. See you. Bye. It's very hot and kind of rainy and I don't know. Bye. भाइयों पियर पे पहुंच गए हैं, वेट हो रहा है लॉम्परे आगे आने का। VIP बस एंड फेरी फ्रॉम Koh Phangan till Bangkok. So the ferry is from Koh Phangan till Chumpon and then I have to take a bus. So basically you get both the things, the bus and the ferry from there. We are taking the Lompriya. You can see that VIP. So this Lompriya VIP costs 1600 baht to drop you till Bangkok, which includes the ferry from here till Chumpon and the bus from Chumpon till Bangkok, Khao Road. And in Khao Road I already made a video about it, so you guys can take a look. And we also paid 200 baht extra for get a VIP seat on ferry basically. So let's see how it's gonna be. So this is actually pier, looks like the boat usually comes any of these things. Most probably they are for Koh Tao, Koh Samui and Koh Phangan. Ashley is sitting here with the bags and ये बोट आ गई है फेरी जिस पे हमको जाना है। और लाइन चेक करो जरा, लाइन लगी हुई है पूरी की पूरी, वो पीछे वहाँ तक।
Ready to go to Bangkok?
Are you ready to go to Bangkok?
Yeah.
It's too much people right now, guys. We can't go because we have two huge bags. There are so many people waiting right now. When day starts to go in, then we will go. We are lazy and we don't want to go. But we have to go. As you can see, weather over there is kind of chaos going on. Okay, tornado, thunderstorm, lightning, everything together. Just Thor came over there, and here it's fully sun. Full sun, yeah. Raining or something. I don't know. I love this place. भाइयों कोह ताऊ पहुँच गए हैं, मैं और एशली जी बैठे हुए हैं। हमने VIP एक टिकट ली थी। कोह ताऊ में ऑलमोस्ट पूरी की पूरी फेरी खाली हो गई है, सिर्फ हम ही बैठे हुए हैं। पीछे एक भाई साहब और खड़े हो रहे हैं। We paid 200 baht extra VIP ferry tickets except of the VIP tickets which we got, and it's kind of cool. It will take 2-3 hours more to reach Chumpon from here, and then bus will take more 5-6 hours. So how do you feel?
Good. Sleepy.
And
I think it's kind of a scam that we
paid 200 baht extra.
because we buy the VIP ticket only for the VIP bus.
Yeah.
So you have to pay more for the VIP ferry section,
Yeah.
which is a scam in my opinion.
You can see, I'll show you. Says VIP room 200 baht. That would be great. Empty, guys.
But
No
it's
one is here.
like, to me, it's kind of the same as the downstairs room.
Yeah, kind of. It's the
There's
same.
not really a difference between the normal space and the VIP.
So, bro, we are vegetarians. We couldn't find anything vegetarian. We got this cup noodles and Coca-Cola. I don't know why, but just, and I'm feeling sleepy. And it's been most probably 30 minutes. We left Koh Tao. The boat is totally empty now. And I'm gonna put this sauce without messing my hand inside. Okay. This, I'm gonna put it here. We have to throw it. Okay, it's not India, so there is a dustbin to throw it. Hello, guys.
They also sell candy.
Okay, so you can
Nuts.
get pears, coke, water, and everything. We are speaking slowly because there are not a lot, but few people are sitting. And we took some ramens kind of thing, some cup and noodles. Okay, that's all you need to know. भाइयों देखो वो थी फेरी जहाँ से हम आए लोमप्रिया, इनका ऑफिस था और ये इनकी बसेस हैं। ये वीआईपी है, इन पे लिखा रहता है। ये नॉर्मल वाली बस है, बाकी ये दोनों वीआईपी बसेस हैं ब्रो। अब बाकी मैं अंदर से दिखाता हूँ।
Every time I came here though, they don't actually serve any of this stuff on their menu.
भाइयों यहाँ सामान रखने की जगह थी जहाँ हमने बड़ा बैग रख दिया। क्या रहता है ये देखो वीआईपी, जो वीआईपी बसेस हैं, ये एशले जी चल रही हैं। ये भाइयों सीट मिल गई हमको अपनी। ये जो बस है सिंगल सीटर या डबल सीटर। ब्राउनी खा रही है एशले जी बैठ के, बढ़िया सीट मिल गई है दोस्तों। सो द नेक्स्ट स्टॉप विल बी आफ्टर 3 hours. We will sit and relax. We already have some sandwiches and cheese toasties. So we will enjoy for some time and I'll see you guys when the bus stops somewhere after 3 hours. I'll show you. Bye. And we are watching Stranger Things, the ferry, for a little bit of time. Most probably we're gonna continue that and I'll see you guys. Bye. देखो भाई, गुड टाइम के नाम से एक डब्बा मिलता है जिसके अंदर स्नैक्स देते हैं कुछ। दूसरी वाली बस चल पड़ी है, मैं इसको खोल के दिखाता हूँ क्या क्या मिलता है इसके अंदर। So basically you get bread. Yeah. And you get Tipco orange kind of juice. That's what they give you in the VIP bus. Yeah, and a blanket you get. I also have a blanket and a water bottle. As you guys can see. Also there are services most probably. Oh yeah, so put the things. Have a tiny table. That's cool. So there are outlets over here. चलते हैं भाइयों, 5 बजने वाले हैं। इंडियन टाइम के हिसाब से बज चुके हैं 3:30, पूरे 5 बजे बस चालू हो चुके हैं भाइयों। मिलते हैं भाई। ये जहाँ बस रुकी है वहाँ हम पहुँच गए हैं। और सामने अगर तुम देखोगे वीआईपी लोमप्रिया, ये हमारी बस है। और ये इनके खाने पीने की जगह है जो काफ़ी बड़ा अंदर काउंटर है। मैं तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ अभी जाके अंदर, जो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं। खा पी के अंदर बाहर रेस्ट कर सकते हो, बैठने की जगह। हर बारी बस आधे घंटे के लिए यहीं रुकती है। भाई हमने लिया एक फ्राइड राइस विद एग ऑन द टॉप। यहाँ से 50 बात का सामान आया ब्रो। बाहर जाके बैठ के खाएंगे अब इसको आराम से। यहाँ ऑप्शन है, अगर चाहो तो सॉस वगैरह ले सकते हो। बाकी नॉन वेजिटेरियंस के ऑप्शंस बहुत हैं। हमारे पास वेजिटेरियन ऑप्शन बहुत कम है। बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं।
Chicken with it.
Yeah, means you can have a lot of things if you want from there. You can have chicken. We took the vegetarian thing. ये ऑर्डर कर दिया है यहाँ पे हमने. अब बैठ के खाएंगे. 4-5 घंटे का रास्ता और बचा हुआ है. आधा रास्ता कंप्लीट हो गया. जर्नी में ट्राई कर रहे थे सो जाएं ठीक से. सो नहीं पाए हैं अभी. रात को 1 बजे पहुँचेंगे हम खाओ सन रोड बैंकॉक में, जहाँ से हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी भाइयों. तो अभी आधी जगह लगा के चलो और बची है. काफ़ी कूल है जहाँ बस रोकते हैं. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इट इज़. Where they stop the bus. It's kind of cool place and stuff.
Yeah. I've been here 4 times or something, and every single time I've had
Listen,
yes.
I have
3 times with you and once by myself.
I also came 3 times. Yeah. See you guys on the bus or maybe when I reach the Bangkok now. Bye. तो भाइयों अब हमारी बस है जो निकलने वाली है. It's almost been half an hour we were waiting. As you can see behind us, it's a very beautiful place. So I traveled in India by buses and we also have places to stop but not. They have some unique concept over here where you can find a lot of things to eat, sit, relax. Now our bus is starting again. We are going to sit and relax, most probably watch the Stranger Things again a little bit and try to rest. It's very hard to sleep in VIP bus also.
I slept. I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah, means it's very hard for me to sleep into these kinds of things. So guys, I will reach to Bangkok. I think this is one of the best services of the buses and the ferry with a very good coordination of each others on them. So they have a lot of people to help you guys and to take care of your concerns. Our bus most probably is moving soon. It's not our bus behind this, it's our bus.
But this one is leaving.
Yeah, this bus is leaving and then most probably our will leave soon. So we are going next to our bus and I will see you in Bangkok. Khao San Road. भाइयों ये बस थी अपनी. खाओ सन रोड पहुंच गए हैं. ये रहा अपना सामान. सामने के ऑलरेडी मैं ब्लॉग्स दिखा चुका हूँ मैं बना के. पीछे वहाँ पे अपना घर है. रात के 1 बज रहे हैं. अभी ये फिर भाइयों फाइनली अपने घर पहुँच चुके हैं. Airbnb में, मेरा मतलब है नॉट at our home but at our Airbnb we reached bro. The bus dropped at us 1 o'clock, almost at time, 5 minutes late most probably, but it was not bad. We were so tired. Hello. हम दोनों बहुत थके हुए हैं. रात के अब करीबन हमको आए हुए अंदर घर में 15 मिनट हो गए हैं. हम बहुत ज़्यादा थक चुके थे. बहुत भारी बैग भी थे. लेकिन the best thing is that this Airbnb is like walking distance from where the bus will drop you. So we walked like 2 minutes and reached here. Now the plan is to go near to the Khao San Road, which almost a bit of the shops are open. It's 2 o'clock. We're gonna go eat something, find some good local Thai food and eat most probably that. Or you wanna eat something else?
Thai food is good. You can get your morning glory if that is okay.
Yeah, okay. I'll see you guys then. It was a vlog about the Lomprea, which takes you from Koh Phangan to Bangkok, where I try to show you most of the things today. Enjoy the vlog guys. I don't have much of the time in Thailand. I'm gonna record a bit more things here and then I'll see you somewhere in India. Take care. Bye. Boom.